Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we will be solving array nesting. It is 565 number problem in the lead code. So in this there is a one array is given and there are multiple indices in it. So we need to find out array nesting. But the conditions are that uh, if one index is visited, we should not revisit it. So the thing is, like, suppose this is an array. So in this, if 5 is present in first location, then we visited this location, which is I equal to 0, index is visited, and we'll go to fifth index, which is saying 6. So this index will get visited, and then we'll go to sixth index, which is saying 2, which is 0, and again this is saying 0, which is 5. It is already visited. So once an index come which is already visited, so we will be stopping it. So there are multiple ways in this. Like, this will be the first, and then there are multiple, like 4 we cannot start since it was visited. No, it was not visited, so we can go with the 4 as well. Now 4, a1 is 4, then we'll go for 1 2, this is 4 1, we'll go over here, and again this 1 is 4, so it will return only 2 count. So if we search every possible way in this, then we'll get the 4 is the maximum, which is a0, a5, a6 and a2 of different indexes. So what we can do is we can create an hash set of integer, then we are setting a max count over here, which is equal to 0. Now we are iterating with all the elements in the array, and then we are checking if set does not contains I, if it haven't processed that index, then int j is equal to I, we are setting j is equal to I, while set does not contains j, so it is not containing that index, then we'll add to the process set dot add j, which is an index added, then j is equal to nums of j, which is over here nums of j is 5, so we'll go with and count plus plus. Now it will become 1 and j will be again 5. So fifth index is not visited yet, so again it will go and it will add fifth index, set dot add, then j is equal to nums of j is now 6, so now it will visit the sixth index, which is 2. Again it will add it to the 2 and it will go for the second, which is 0 over here. This is the second index, so it will add 2, again it will iterate. Since 0 is already visited, so this loop will get broken, and now as of now count is 4, so it will check whether count is greater than max count. Yes, it is. Max count will be equal to 4. Again for the 4 it will check, so 4 is not visited yet, since so it will go over here. Now count is 0, set does not contains j, yes it is true, then this index will be added, one index will be added, and j is equal to nums of j. Now index will be set for 4, now it will go to 1. Okay, so again for 1 it will come and it will go, will make j is equal to 1, and 1 is already visited, so the count will be 2, and it will check whether count is greater than 4, 2 is greater than 4, no, so it will not set. In this way it will iterate with all the indexes which are not visited yet, and if we are getting a duplicate, then we will be getting terminated. So in this way we have solved the problem, and I have returned max count. So let's see whether it gets submitted or not. Yes, it is getting submitted. Thanks for watching.